to my channel. Please, if this is your first time, don't forget to subscribe and also click the bell notification icon for more latest video. So today I'm going to show you the easiest way to cut a short gown, but I'm using lace to do my lace. So this lace, this doll face will be under this lace. As you can see, I use my hip measurement to bring out my normal measurement. It's hip divided by 4 plus my 3-inch allowance and also my zip allowance. So that is what is here now. As you can see, I use hip to bring out the measurement because hip is the highest measurement there. So but the length of the lace will be longer than the length of the doll face. So the length of the lace, normal length is 42, but my doll face length will be 35. So 35 plus 1 inch, that is 36. I added 1 inch for same allowance. So now the first thing I'm going to do is my shoulder measurement. My shoulder measurement is 14 inch, and I will add half inch to it. To get my armhole, I will use 7.5. You can use your straight ruler to mark yours. So I will come down by 2 inch and measure my bust. My bust measurement is 32. 32 divided by 4 is 8. 8 is here plus 2 inch. My waist measurement is 29. 29 divided by 2. Firstly, you divide it by 2 again. It will give me 14.5. And I will add 2 inch for my seam allowance. And I will come down to get my hip measurement. From that waist, I will measure out 7.5. Depending on how the person is. So the person is not tall, is short. That is why I'm using 7.5 to get the hip. So the hip is 32. That is 8 plus 2 inches. My knee length is 31. 31, that is 15.5 into 4. 31 into 4, 7.5. Let me check it to know if I'm sure of what I'm doing. Guys, I'm correct, 7.5. My nail, and I will put 1.5 for the same allowance. Now I will join. I will start from my armhole and connect it to my bust measurement. From my bust, I will connect it to my waist measurement. And from my waist measurement, I will connect it to my hip measurement. From the hip, I will connect it to the nail measurement. Then I will start to cut. Then my neck measurement for the wideness, I'm going to use 2 inch, and for the depth of the back, I'm going to use 2. For the front neck, I'm going to use 5 inch, and I will then connect. Then I will cut. Now I will trace this thing exactly to the lace. Or full length of the gown in this lace now, and I say that the length is 41. I'm going to do it 42 for my same allowance. And I will place the front one. As you can see, there are more excess, so if I cut it like this, I will be wasting the fabric, so I will have to draw it back so that the excess won't be much. Be drawing it back until there will be no more excess to it, to avoid wasting your fabric or your material. Then I will start to cut. Let me do the back one. We are through with the front one, so we want to get the back one. But before then, I will have to also get the full length of this gown before placing the doll face on it. 41, but we will do 42. You have to also check if your fabric is balanced to avoid shortage of material. So as you can see, the same excess we also see here. I have to also draw it back so that there won't be too much excess to avoid wasting your fabric. So as you can see, it's good like this. And I'll also recheck my length to know if it shifts. As you can see, my length is shift, so I'll have to, when cutting lace, you have to be very careful because lace sometimes is very stubborn. If I didn't check my material now on my length, the thing have already shortened, but now it's complete. So I will cut. After that, I have to share this one into two because of the zip allowance. Because this is the back one, so you have to share it into two because of your zip allowance. So now let's see what we got. So guys, this is the result. This is what I get after cutting it. So I will use this doll face and turn everything together except the down. So as you can see, this one is the front part and this one is the back side with zip allowance. So guys, it's all about the short gown, simple short gown with lace and the doll face. You can also try your own, and see your results, because it's very simple, so it's not too hard for those of us that say it's too hard to cut short gown or whatever. So if you follow this procedure, it won't be too hard for you. So guys, see you next time. If this is your first time, please subscribe to our channel and also click the notification bell icon for more latest video. Bye guys, love you all.